Thanks for choosing Weir Canyon Acura. We pride ourselves in providing a straightforward, quick, enjoyable purchasing experience. Check this out.
You will love this winter frost 2011 Nissan Maxima, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and a CVT transmission. Enjoy an impressive 26 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like windows, rear defogger, windows, front wipers, speed sensitive, windows, lockout button, power windows, remote operation, suspension, front strut tower bar, windows, front wipers, variable intermittent, power windows, with safety rever SE, sunroof, anti-trapping feature, tail and brake lights, LED, rear seats, rear heat, vents, seats, front seat type, bucket, security, anti-theft alarm system with engine, immobilizer, footwell lights, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2011 Nissan Maxima. See us at Weir Canyon Acura today.
At Weir Canyon Acura, you can be sure you'll get the right vehicle for the right price, and that's just the beginning. At Weir Canyon Acura, get the respect and great price you deserve.